That's 5th of the day. Alright, where do we want to go?
Baby.
It's a baby. It's a baby.
Pretty dope.
Okay. There he goes. Fish?
Fish, baby. Oh my gosh.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Bear Outdoors TV. And today I'm back at my grandparents' pond. Just trying to catch some aggressive bass. So, yep, just got one. That's 5th of the day. Also biggest. Probably a nice 2-pounder. Probably a pound and a half too. Nothing back in there. Alright, where do we want to go?
Down there.
Alright, we can also go up the creek if you want. Because I've gone up there some
Oh, let's do that.
and caught some fish. Well, no, we can go over here first.
I actually prefer to go over there.
Alright, turn around. But yeah, we also should go out to like the main lake.
Wait, did you say you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, sir. Great Outdoors TV. Oh, got one.
What's the, oh,
No, I had one.
Then you
Alright.
have, you go Mario here,
Okay, hold on.
twist, and go back.
Come on, bite it again, buddy.
That's how you get on next time.
Oh, I just got hit again.
Is that right?
Hold on. 1 sec. I'm trying to catch my fish. Oh, well, you can't really Texas rig with that hook.
Can't really what?
Texas rig it, which is what you're trying to do.
Okay.
You can just wacky rig it, I guess.
Just like put the thing in, just like this.
Got one. Little guy.
Baby.
It's a baby. It's a baby. Oh, all right. Come on, little guy. We're going to get you out of this, bro. I got you. So, that's
Yeah, drop a couple.
okay. Here we go. Off he goes. Okay.
Oh, I
Dude,
got a big one, I got a big one, I got a big one.
there's no way we're not flipping. How deep is it right here?
Not sure.
Let's see.
Not bad.
Oh, it's kind of deep. It's deep under those reeds. So if like we could get up under there, that'd be.
Get our boat under it.
I know. I'm just talking about the baits, bud.
Yeah, I know. At first I heard that and I was like, wait a minute.
Just swim up under there, boy.
Gosh, you didn't have any luck so far?
Oh, okay. Okay, buddy. Well, I mean, I just caught one. So, at least we aren't skunked. Oh,
Ow!
no, I had him. Dude, he hit it top water. Yeah, he literally, oh, got one. Some little kid. Oh, there he goes. Guys, we just got another. He just slapped my camera, so hurry. So, like that. Boom, nice one. All right. Boom. What a beautiful picture.
Pretty dope.
Okay. There he goes. Oh! One just ate it right at the boat, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh! Something just hit the top of the water like heck over there. Little guy. That or he's just not fighting. Oh, yep, just got. Oh, now he wants to start fighting. I think that. How? There we go. Another little guy. All right, see ya. Get him.
Hey.
There we go.
Oh, big one.
Got one. Another guy. Woo!
Dang,
Woo!
wow.
Woo!
Got one. Let's go. Okay, mine is on. Help, but...
Will you grab
Here,
him?
hold on, catching a fish.
Oh, pretty good.
This is my fish I just caught.
That's definitely the way to hold a fish.
You stick your mouth in it. No.
Knot it up, because it's a bait caster and they're a lot harder to cast. I have a like different type of. Got one. Nope. Oh, nice. Here. Boom.
Why? It spiked me.
Another one.
Okay.
Safety. Okay, this one will be nice
We're
too.
tipping bad. I love that there's water in the boat behind you.
Huh? Oh! No way that just happened. I just dropped it down because I was like, well, I'm just gonna let it troll as a joke. Then I see my line going, and then this nice little 1.5-pounder just starts running with it. Probably just super lucky.
Oh my gosh.
Fish?
Fish, baby.
Get it up here.
Probably the same one.
Yes! Get him back in the water, bud. All right, just let him go.
I'd give a little time.
Yeah.
Oh.
Fish? Or hit?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another one. It's a jumper.
Let's get this boy in the boat.
Bring him up here. All right, here.
Yeah, this is a good time.
Here, let me see him.